folks, it's Christmas Eve and we got Santa Claus helping us out with another special guest. This is not sponsored by Galaxy or the Postcode Lottery. So Santa Claus, if you sit down now, we'll reveal your special guest and then we'll open the Postcode Lottery and we'll reveal the big one. Yes. Right, sit down there, mate. And today's special guest is, here we go, we've got Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Had a very shiny nose. Anyway, let's see what's it behind the Postcode Lottery. Number 24. 24. Do you like my tie? Anyway, 24. Here we go. 24 is, you have helped raise 650 million for thousands of good causes. Merry Christmas. There you go. So every donation to the Postcode Lottery helps causes, and we have raised 650 million. Which some good causes are good, some could be a little bit better, and there should be some more money going towards other charities and other good causes. So anyway, that was Postcode Lottery with help of Rudolph, and now let's see what's behind 24. 24, Christmas Eve. Here we go, 24, the big one, dun, 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 dun. We have got, there we go, Merry Christmas it says. Let's open the big one. What we've got. Hang on a minute. Where's the chocolate go? Kevin?
It's ridiculous. Only a wimp would be hiding under a bed. I can't be a wimp. I'm the man of the house.
Open the door. I'll wait 24 days for my chocolate. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Merry Christmas. Jack, this is our manor. Hello folks, Elf the Elf, Santa Claus will be here tomorrow, and this is Mike. You've been watching Mike's chat, candle door opening of 1 to 24, just to cheer people up because of what's going on in the world. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, eat like kings and queens, and drink like kings and queens. Happy New Year as well. If I don't say it then, I'll say it now. But you've been watching Mike's chat on the 4K eyebrow. Merry Christmas people, have a good one, and cheers. Thanks. Merry Christmas.